Hello everyone, welcome to the Crack You video series. Today we are here to discuss static GK government scheme questions for CMAT 2022. Please do visit our website crackyou.in and you can download the previous papers there. It would be helpful for your exam. As we are having CMAT crash course, it includes day-wise schedule and covering all the important topics. The price for CMAT crash course is ₹1,999. Along with that, we are having CMAT mocks, which is ₹299. Link is given in description. Please do visit and enroll for these packages for your better practice. So let's start with the first question. Which ministry has launched the UIDAI scheme? The correct answer is D. Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology. So the Unique Identification Authority of India. The full form of UIDAI is Unique Identification Authority of India. So it is established under the provision of Aadhaar Act 2016 by the Government of India, under the Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology. Let's check the next question. PRASAD Scheme, Pilgrimage, Rejuvenation and Spiritual Heritage Augmentation Drive has been launched under which ministry? The correct answer is B. Ministry of Tourism. So the Ministry of Tourism launched the PRASAD scheme that aims at integrated development of pilgrimage destinations in a prioritized, planned and sustainable manner in order to provide a complete religious tourism experience. Let's check the next question. The mobile app called GreenDelhi has been launched by who among the following? The correct answer is D. Arvind Kejriwal. Let's check the next question. Name the app launched by the Road Transport and Highways Ministry to enhance road safety. The correct answer is B. IRAD. This navigation service app developed by May My India, which is called Move, and this app has won the Government Atmanirbhar App Innovation Challenge in 2020, and this service is also used by the citizen and authorities to report and broadcast accidents, unsafe areas, road and traffic issues on the map. So it will help others. Let's check the next question. Ramsar Convention is associated with the conservation of. The correct answer is C. Wetlands. The Convention on Wetlands of International Importance, especially as water for habitat, sometimes also known as the Ramsar Convention. Let's check the next question. Atal Pension Yojana was launched in which year? The correct answer is C. 2015. So the Atal Pension Yojana was launched on 9th May 2015. So this create a universal social security system for all Indians, especially the poor and the underprivileged and the workers in the unorganized sector. Let's check the next question. Which of the following ministries launched the two campaign named Angikaar and E-course? The correct answer is B. Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs. So Angikaar, a digital initiative and management, and E-course of Vulnerability Atlas of India. Let's check the next question. Which state in India was the first to introduce the midday meal scheme for school children? The correct answer is A. Tamil Nadu. So midday meal program was introduced in 1925 for disadvantaged children in Madras Municipal Corporation, and by the mid 1980s Kerala, Gujarat, Tamil Nadu and Pondicherry state has universalized a cooked midday meal program for children studying at primary level. Let's check the next question. The scheme Startup India was launched in which year? The correct answer is C, 2016. So it is launched on 16th January 2016. So the Startup India initiative has rolled out several programs with the objective of supporting entrepreneurs. Let's check the next question. With which health insurance scheme has West Bengal now been expected to cover the entire state's population? The correct answer is B, Swasthya Sathi scheme. So West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee extend the Swasthya Sathi health insurance scheme to cover entire population of the state. Let's check the next question. What is the upper age limit for Pradhan Mantri Jeevan Jyoti Bima Yojana? The correct answer is B, 50 years. So, the Pradhan Mantri Jeevan Jyoti Bima Yojana is available to people in the age group of 18 to 50 years having a bank account who give their consent to join enable auto debit. The primary KYC for the bank account is Aadhaar. Let's check the next question. Under Ayushman Bharat Yojana, what amount of health cover is provided to each family in each year? The correct answer is C, that is rupees 5 lakh. So, according to the Government National Health Authority, that is NHA, the Ayushman Bharat is the largest assurance scheme in the world which aims at providing a health cover of rupees 5 lakh per family per year. So, this is per family per year for secondary and tertiary care hospitalization to over 10.74 crore poor and vulnerable families. Let's check the next question. A scheme named Pradhan Mantri Ujjwala Yojana comes under which of the following ministries? The correct answer is A, Ministry of Petroleum and Natural Gas. So, this scheme is providing for LPG connections to women from below poverty line, that is BPL households. Let's check the next question. Who will be the beneficiaries under Pradhan Mantri Shram Yogi Maandhan scheme? The correct answer is C, people working in unorganized sector. So, Pradhan Mantri Shram Yogi Maandhan is a voluntary and contributory pension scheme for unorganized workers for entry age of 18 to 40 years with monthly income of rupees 15,000 or less. Let's check the next question. A program namely SAMBHAV was launched by which of the following ministries? The correct answer is B, Ministry of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises. So, on 27th October 2021, the Ministry of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises, that is MSME, launched the E-National Level Awareness Program 2021, that is SAMBHAV, and it is organized on 27th October 2021. Let's check the next question. Ayushman Bharat CAPF healthcare scheme was launched for the personnel of CAPF, which was the joint initiative by the DASH and the National Health Authority. The correct answer is A, Ministry of Home Affairs. Let's check the next question. Ayushman Sehkar scheme was launched by DASH. The correct answer is D, Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare. Ayushman Sehkar scheme is that the NCDC, that is National Cooperative Development Corporation, initiated to help cooperative play a significant role in creating healthcare infrastructure in India. NCDC, that is National Cooperative Development Corporation. Let's check the next question. What is the maximum age limit to join Atal Pension Yojana? The correct answer is D, 40 years. So the maximum age is 40 years and the minimum contribution period is 20 years. At the age of 60, you will start receiving the pension. Let's check the next question. Pradhan Mantri Swasthya Suraksha Nidhi was launched by which of the following ministries? The correct answer is B. Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. Let's check the next question. Which of the following is a benefit under the Startup India scheme? The correct answer is D. That is tax exemption for 3 years. Hope this video will help you in your preparations. Please do like, share, subscribe and comment to our channel. Press the bell icon for instant notification. All the best. Thank you.